yourself. Am I right? Good summary?
Well, there's a focus on happiness,
Happiness.
and not necessarily as much on meaning. And I see you're drawing attention to it.
They come my way. They come my way.
It's changing.
The trend come my way, but not far enough. You don't take why. See, imagine yourself an unemployed immigrant. Okay? Imagine yourself a homeless guy. No. Roger, he's doing psychotherapy with homeless. It's great work. Okay? Imagine you're homeless. Imagine yourself chronically handicapped. Imagine yourself dying suffering from cancer that I am. Okay? Just think. Imagine yourself in a dire situation. These three ways that suggest a Franco will work in every situation. That's the first one. Creative work. It doesn't mean art, literature, poetry, music. It simply means that doing something with your life, doing something with your creativity to give back to society. So it doesn't matter how poor you are, how bad situation, you can always do something for other people, right? You know why creative? Because nobody can do it the way you do it, right? Nobody can talk the way I talk. It doesn't mean I'm creative. It means that I'm expressing my individuality, my unique personality, individuality. You know what I'm right? He's a creative guy. He's a movie star, a dancer, a singer. I mean, he's an artist. See, he comes here to see how these old men perform. So that's what you from people how to act. Okay? So creative because being unique you is already creative. That means do model other people, don't copy other people, don't imitate other people, don't follow other people. Be yourself and express your unique personality and do something for others. The same thing as friendship values. You know, often my Buddhist friend, and a Buddhist people here, and a Buddhist practitioner, no Buddhist. My Buddhist friend would tell me, well, you know, American on top of striving to a goal, getting something, you know. But meaning is not just rest in striving, goal setting, achievement. Meaning can be found in simply appreciating life, experiencing life moment by moment. So what can you savor your aliveness? Being alive is a thing. See, my friend, the great Dimitri from Russia, he asked me, well, why do you call your lecture keynote on Sunday the last lecture? I said, my friend, I might drop dead tomorrow. You know, who knows, right? My age, my condition, right? You never know, right? So while you're alive, you have to be able to enjoy every moment of life. You know, it's great to be alive. The fresh air, the beautiful people here, right? There's so much love in this world. I mean, it's a great experience, right? When you are happy, right? I feel energized. That is experiencing. It doesn't cost anything. All they require is that you open your mind, open your heart, and have an attitude of gratitude and appreciation. You know, part psychologists say, oh, let me happy. You do gratitude exercise, but you do that, oh, it's silly, okay? It's silly. You do gratitude to be happy. No. You you be grateful because it's supposed to be as a human being. You should develop an attitude of gratitude. Not to be happy, just to be a human being. The Chinese people say, I know Chinese here, 饮水思源. But water, all remember the source, right? When you eat food, remember the farmer's hard work. You value each grain of rice. That is an attitude of appreciation, gratitude to your parents, to your teacher, your pastor. And an attitude of gratitude is part of what the society humane and compassionate. It's beyond yourself, okay? It's doing beyond yourself. The third thing is also important. Parapsychology, I never studied that. Is the Frank called it define human spirit. Hemingway say, talk to big fish, the old man said, you can defeat me, but you cannot destroy me, right? The famous line. You can knock me down, but I'll back my feet again, cannot destroy me. So there's a defiant spirit, right? That you can jail me, torture me, but I'm not going to betray my friend. I'm not going to betray my faith. I'm not giving up my struggle for democracy, for freedom for my people. Nelson Mandela said that, right? So this attitude is also important living in life. Courage. Courage. Paul Taylor said, courage is the only virtue that makes other virtue possible. Right? You have no courage to face your problem. No courage to face tomorrow, then you can't go very far. So that's why I said the Franco really have an important contribution would have been ignored by American psychologists. Okay? And I'm Franco's spokesperson. Okay? I'm very aware, to advocate American psychologists about the contribution of Franco. Now, here, Franco said, so this is the whole thing. Okay. Am I okay now? Okay.
You eliminated guilt on this side.
So this is something, I mess up again. Okay. Here's something interesting. See, Franco like triangles. But all these triangles are negative triangles, okay? I want to create positive triangles. So let me introduce you to the negative triangle. The first one is the tragic triangle. I mean, if you have no meaning in your life, okay? You have no meaning in life, okay? So, let's see. First of all, you have the neurotic triangle, okay? You have no meaning in life, you're more likely to suffer from depression, aggression, and addiction. So there's the increasing evidence for that, okay? And the other thing is that meaninglessness is related to three things: traffic drive, the death, and death. If I have to die anyway, so what the point of driving, right? If you suffer pain, while in emergency hospital, while I'm experiencing excruciating pain, I would have died, I mean, so all I wanted is to get out of the pain, all right? I said, Jesus save me, Buddha save me, anyone save me. All I wanted to relieve from pain, right? So when pain is very strong, you just feel that there's no meaning in life, right? That's why guilt also makes you feel that thing. I mean, you feel like for regrets in your life, for guilt in your life, then you also feel that meaning. So these three things contribute to meaninglessness These are the three outcomes of mindlessness. Okay? I want to skip through. 比较online啊，mindless 也对。